like I talk it. Walk it 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 like I talk it. Walk it.
ولا تقسى وتفتري دي القسوة يا عيني مرة القسوة يا عيني مرة
Run. Run.
Excuse me? Excuse me?
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh. We've been trying to contact you regarding your car's extended warranty.
Oh baby, I did it again.
Here's the bill for the vet today. Not really sure how you're going to pay that one. You do actually live here rent-free. I do buy your groceries, so maybe get a job, contribute to society a little bit. This is getting ridiculous, dude.
Hey there, Mr. Pig. You got yourself in a real predicament, didn't you? Well, you got to stop so Mommy can get it off. Okay, hold on. What? You got to hold on. Come here. Hey, come here. Dude. Oh, you got it off yourself? Okay, well, just a good job. Oh, man, you out of breath from that? You a little scared? You a little scared? Whatever, Mom. I'm fine. I meant to do that. It was just a cool new workout I made up. It's a new workout I made up on my own, and I was doing it on purpose. And then you just being rude and just saying things about me that aren't true, Mom.
Babe, have you seen my scrunchie? Mika, why do you have my scrunchie? Why do you have it? Baby, I need it back. Give it back.